America is all Indian land.
Local loggers for the harm done to the forest.
We really think one of the most dangerous things that the left has absorbed from the wider society is this hero complex. This whole there's one person, that these movements, or one organization that these movements. So it can't only be soul farmers. It needs to be other Black farmers because we all need to, north and south, east and west, younger and older, we need to see ourselves.
I could use my poetic voice in alignment with the movement building work and community organizing work that I was also doing.
It helped me understand, some of the limitations of science as a way of knowing. And it's a very good, well-argued book. It doesn't just deal with consciousness, it deals with physics, it deals with and the argument they're making, and I found this helpful and somewhat supportive of someone like me writing a book on consciousness. To understand consciousness, you have to bring phenomenology into it.
Water is flowing up the political hill. And we barely notice it because obviously things are fucking terrible. But this is an amazing current that we are all part of, and that gives me hope every day.
To prepare for a societal breakdown, you're better off stockpiling friends, favors, and skills rather than guns and canned beans.
We must support each other. We must protect each other. We have nothing to lose but our chance. We have nothing to lose but our chance. We have nothing to lose but our chance.
We have nothing to lose but our chance. Start doing the fight for our freedom.
Let's love each other. We must support each other. We must protect each other. We have nothing to lose but our chance. And on behalf of the Bioneers board, let me once again thank all of you who contribute and support this annual gathering and growing of our necessary tribe.